Today's featured listing is at 6106 Belvidere Circle, located in Pecan Plantation. Stay tuned. This recently updated home is outstanding. It is located in Pecan Plantation. We are at 6106 Belvidere Circle. You walk in the door and look at that beautiful view. Okay, over here to the right is the formal dining room. All of the light fixtures in this home have been recently replaced. Here is a bedroom, which could also be an office. It's got French doors on it. It's got some beautiful built-in painted cabinets. There's a half bath. There's a closet. Then we're going to come back in here. We're going to go down the steps into this open living room. Absolutely gorgeous stone detailed, painted or stained shelves, fresh paint throughout. All the popcorn's been scraped off the ceilings. Look at this kitchen. Absolutely gorgeous. This is quartz, stainless appliances, conveys with the refrigerator, beautiful brand new painted cabinets, brand new gorgeous oven, has never been used, microwave here, dishwasher. Here is a view from the sink, looking into the breakfast area. We can go down to this hallway. We've got bedrooms number 3 and bedroom number 4. They both have good sized closets. Here's another full bath that has been completely redone. Let me take you to the opposite side of the house where the master ensuite is. This master bedroom is gigantic. Here we go. Is not this the most gorgeous you've ever seen? All these updates are fantastic. Look, a place to put your makeup on. You've got this outstanding shower and this bathtub. Walk-in closet. This is where the potty is. Coming back through the kitchen, there is the laundry room, which is right here off of the garage. Here is the laundry room. It's got this great space for all of your cleaning supplies, full-size washer and dryer hookups, a table for folding, and the garage has a 2 full car garage and a golf car garage. The backyard does have a fence, but the lot is much bigger. So this house was built in 1997. It's about 2,500 square feet home. Patio has been recently tiled, and this sitting area out here is also on this property with the adirondack chairs under the solar lights. If you would like more information about this property, please reach out to me. I would love to give you a tour.